In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change music in a Canva video. So I already have this template pulled up just here, and what we're going to do is change the music. Now, if we look down here, we can see this long purple line. Now, that's the music. So if we click on there, it's then going to show the music file like this. And what we can do is simply come to the three dots and we can click on delete track. Now you can also use the delete button on the keyboard as well, but we're going to click on there and now that's been deleted. And now what we can do is add our music. Now there's a couple of different ways that we can do this. We can use Canva music and or music which we upload ourselves. So if we come over to elements just here, we're going to want to scroll all the way down until we see, I think I scrolled past it, I did, audio just here. Then we want to come to see all, and now we can use any one of these files. Now what we can do is simply click on see all on any of these. This is popular music, happy, pop. If you have a music niche in mind or a genre, we can simply search that in the search bar here as well. But for this example, let's click on all with happy, and now we can use any one of these. Now, please bear in mind, if you see a little crown icon, just like that, that does mean you need a Canva Pro account. The ones without a crown icon, we can use. Now, we can click play on this, so we can have a little listen as well. But for this example, let's just go ahead and click on here, and now it's added it to our video. Now what we can also do is double click onto the music, then we can drag to where we actually want the music to start and stop. We can also click onto the three dots, and then we can use adjust, fade, and we can play around with the volume. Now if you already have your own music in mind, we can simply come to the upload section, we can come to audio, and then you can add your audio into this section. Let's go ahead and delete this. And then we can add our own music, which we've uploaded by clicking onto there. We can drag it to where we want, we can double click, and then adjust to where we want the music. But nonetheless, that's how to change music in a Canva video. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.